and जो हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, feel it, interact with you all, interact with everybody, gives us a kind of a connection. Different kinds of people, but eventually we all Indians, and the beauty is what is the marvel of India, which the world wonders how it is, and I think that's what we should be proud about.
Next, please.
को लेकर बंगाल को लेकर बंगाली लिटरेचर बंगाली म्यूजिक इतने इंस्पायरिंग रहे हैं, इतने दिशा दी है दुनिया को मेरे ख्याल से बंगाली लिटरेचर। आई एम ए ह्यूज फैन ऑफ उत्तम कुमार, सुचित्रा सेन, सौमित्र चटर्जी, सत्यजीत रे, मृणाल सेन, ग्रेट टैलेंट, तपन सिन्हा, ये सब। एक वक्त दौर ऐसा था कि साउथ से, बॉम्बे से लोग कलकत्ता आते थे, यहाँ से सब्जेक्ट ले जाते थे, चाहे वो शरद चंद्र के सब्जेक्ट हो, टैगोर साहब के सब्जेक्ट हो, ले जाते थे, वहाँ बनाते थे, यहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन लेके जाते थे। अब मैं ज़रा सा दुखी हूँ कि अब वो बात क्यों नहीं है कि लोग वहाँ का कॉपी करके यहाँ बना रहे हैं पिक्चर। इनकी अपनी एक ताकत, अपनी एक जो शक्ति थी, वो खो दिया है। वो फिल्म नहीं बना रहे हैं जो एक वक्त फिल्म बनाते थे, जिसे पूरे हिंदुस्तान में देखकर इंस्पायर होकर फिल्म बनाते थे। अब ये क्यों भटक रहे हैं, कहाँ भटक रहे हैं? और वो भी वो सब्जेक्ट करते हैं दूसरे लैंग्वेज के, जो बी ग्रेड है, सी ग्रेड फिल्में होती है। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा। वंस अगेन यू ऑल कैन जाए तो बंगाल कैन लीड अस, बिकॉज इतना कुछ है लिटरेचर और म्यूजिक में कलकत्ता के पास। उतना ही विश्वास करने वाला कोई प्रोड्यूसर का तलाश कर रहे थे जो इस पे बिलीव करे, जैसे हम बिलीव कर रहे हैं। तो कोई सामने नहीं आता, सब चाहते थे कि वो कोई एक्शन पिक्चर ही बनाए, मैं और सनी मिलकर, तो वेट कर रहे थे। फॉर्चुनेटली आमिर खान को भी कहानी पसंद आई, उसकी उतनी कहानी, तो उससे कहा कि नहीं हम बनाएंगे पिक्चर, एंड दैट्स हाउ आमिर खान केम एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, एंड दिस विल हैपन नाउ।
Right. Okay, Sunny sir, one question for you is, what was it like sharing screen space with your son, who you actually directed in his?
And she got emotional while saying that, and she said she felt you as her own son and protector. So if you
See, Shivana ji is a great actress, we all know that, and I had the opportunity to work with her in this film. This is the first film we both have worked together. And I couldn't have thought of any other actor to play the character of mine, because she is the main character in the film, jiski wajah se sab hai. And obviously, when you see the film, my character is, there are a lot of things in it, or eventually it comes to a place where he starts visualizing her and thinking that I don't have a mother, but if I had this is how my mother would have been. So then the bonding is like that, and that's why the characters are so strong, and we being actors, we kind of get into our characters, and when we perform, we just don't feel that she's Shivana ji. For me, it was my mom, and for her, it was I'm like her son. So then the moments are such where automatically the emotions flow just so naturally. Yeah. It is. It's not saving anyone. It is not only woman, a child, or anything, not even so many things are like that. It's not saving. If there's somebody in a difficulty and everybody's turning around, there has to be a helping hand to give support to the situation and to the person, whoever it may be. So that is always required, because right now the world is like a big turmoil. We really do not know what is happening, where and what and why. But it is happening, and because of the technology, everybody is so much aware of what is even happening. Very shortly, even on Moon, they will get to know. Because everybody wants all input, and there's a lot of input being put into the digital format. So these सब चीज़ें हो ही जा रही हैं. But in general, definitely, if anybody needs any help, and if there's somebody to help, why wouldn't anybody want to do? We would be welcome, or he or she would be welcome.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, hi. This is Priyanka from the Telegraph. Yeah, so straight. Can you see me?
Yeah.
There are too many legs. Welcome to Kolkata. So happy to have you here, and really looking forward to watching the film on Friday. I first wanted to ask Rajji that you've made three iconic films together. which are spoken about so much, but it's taken you, I think, 3 decades now to get back again on set. How has this equation between the two of you kind of, evolved as actor, director, and also personally?
Well, it took some time, but we were always together. We kept on discussing different ideas. Hello? We kept on discussing different ideas. Ki Ghayal, Ghatak and Davini. We never knew that ये iconic film बन जाएगी. हम तो सिर्फ ईमानदारी से फिल्म बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं.